Hi, my name is Joseph Kayuma.
I am Mabel Andolfo.
My name is Sankuba Damasis.
My name is Regina Deladem Kevi.
My name is Ibidel.
And I'm proud to be a member of the Arise Student Ambassador Pilot Program.
Being part of the previous cohort has been a game changer for me.
I have learned so much. I have learned how business ideas are sort of brought up, how to make them viable. They're going to be upscaled, how to broaden your market.
My business venture, Reggie's Legume Cereal Mix, is an FDA-approved product designed to tackle childhood malnutrition while creating jobs for women and then youth.
My business idea focuses on natural soap making. My goal is to improve safety, affordable skincare solutions whilst empowering women and youth in my community through skills training and entrepreneurship.
My goal is to leverage technology in improving student accommodation services across Ghana and eventually expand the solution to universities throughout Africa.
Our focus is to focus on male attire, where we give male good clothes, making casual wears look classy.
My business idea is about healthcare. I was providing pharmacy on campus to prevent students from traveling far and wide to get medications.
I'm a personal shopper. I really want people to know what they're getting straight off the bat.
I have sharpened my entrepreneurial skills, build networks with fellow chain makers, and gain practical insights into scaling impactful ventures.
I have learned so much using the application.
It has affected me positively, and I definitely know I would also love to join this association.
I'm excited about the next cohort, and I would love you to join.
Hear stories, innovations, and be part of the next generation of African chain makers.
Thank you for taking a bold step, and I look forward to connecting with you.